Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Todd. So it's time to get cooking again, and today we're making brown sugar baked carrots. So let's get our ingredients together. For our brown sugar baked carrots, we're going to need roughly 2 pounds of carrots. I'm using the baby carrots, cinnamon, brown sugar, and butter. So let's get prepped. Alright, so for our carrots, what we're going to need to do is mix our cinnamon with our brown sugar. And then once we get that mixed up really well, and if need be, break up any large chunks of brown sugar. Alright, there we go. So now we are going to take our carrots and put them in a baking dish. And we want to kind of spread them out and not have too many piled up. Then we're going to take our brown sugar and sprinkle that over them. And we're going to get our hands in here and give our carrots a toss. Where'd I set my towel? Making sure to get the mixture coating on all the carrots. Let me grab me a towel real quick. There we go. And then we're going to crack some pepper over this. Give that another good toss. And we're going to give a little more pepper. There we go. And then we're going to take our butter, which we've melted, and we're going to pour this over our carrots. And we're going to give them a toss again. And these are going to go into a 350 degree oven. And they're going to cook for 30 minutes. Then we're going to give them a stir. And then we're going to cook them another 30 minutes, maybe a little longer, till they're tender. So let me get this in the oven. So our carrots have been going for 30 minutes, and we're going to give these a good stir. Just look at all that wonderful sugar and carrot juice and cinnamon. Oh my God. It smells like the holidays for some reason because of the cinnamon and the sugar. Alright, so now that we've gotten these stirred up a bit, these are going to go back in for another 30 minutes. And then we're going to pull them back out and see if they're tender. Okay, so our carrots are done. So we're going to put these in a nice serving platter and get them out of the baking dish. And these are hot and delicious. Every time I've served these, they just go. I served these last year for Thanksgiving, and there wasn't a single one left. All right, so now we're gonna take what's left in the dish and we are gonna pour that over our carrots. Set that to the side. Get us a nice spoon in here. And there we go. So this is a wonderful side dish for any meal. Pork, chicken, turkey, beef. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. New videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 p.m. Until next time, enjoy.